Imagine what that hit would have done without proper underbody protection. Since you asked, in this video we're doing a long-term review of the C4 Fabrication steel skid plates that I've been running on my 3rd Gen Tacoma for the past several months. After multiple trail runs and several hard hits, there's some things about these skid plates that I really like and a few things that I don't. The system is constructed out of 3/16" CNC cut steel, much wider and thicker than the factory thin sheet metal skid plates. C4 claims that this weighs 158 pounds, and once installed on the truck and everything completed, the system feels way heavier than 158 pounds. I ordered the skid plates directly from C4, already powder coated from the factory. The powder coating finish has been outstanding. I noticed no blemishes, no imperfections, and I have zero complaints with the powder coating. I ordered my skid plates with the exhaust reroute option. What this does is C4 eliminates the drop down portion that protects your exhaust and replaces it with a flat plate. This gives you an additional 2.5 to 3 inches of ground clearance, but keep in mind you have to take your truck to an exhaust shop prior to completing your install. One of the features that C4 includes is an access port for your oil drain and your oil filter housing. To be honest, it's easier just to remove the factory skid plate during fluid changes than it is to deal with these access ports. Another issue I have is the hardware for the ports isn't very high quality. My next change, I'm going to go ahead and replace that with some stainless steel hardware and a little bit of anti-seize. The C4 kit comes with an additional cross member for your transfer case skid. However, if you're running aftermarket rock sliders, you may have to modify some of your hardware. What I had to do is I had to drill an additional set of holes in the cross member, and I bolted them through some holes that were already existing in my rock sliders because the original holes on my frame were covered up by the rock sliders. One thing that really surprised me was the drivability. I expected adding nearly 160 pounds of weight down low would hurt the handling, the acceleration, and the fuel economy. But to be honest, I really haven't noticed a difference, especially with the truck being properly re-geared to handle the extra weight. Compared to the thin factory skid plates, these offer a massive increase in strength and protection for your vehicle. To be honest with you, if you own a TRD Off-Road or a TRD Pro, I would use that money and invest it in a set of high-quality frame-mounted rock sliders first. If you own a TRD Sport, SR5, or an SR, I would highly recommend that you make this your first mod before taking your vehicle off-roading. My only regret is not purchasing these skid plates first. I wish I had taken my own advice and installed protection prior to taking my vehicle out on the trails. I love the superior protection these skid plates provide, and to be honest, they give me the confidence to push the Tacoma further and on harder trails. If you want to see these skid plates actually being put to work on the trails, check out our most recent run right here. Please drop a comment below. Let me know if you're running C4 Fabrication or what setup you're thinking about putting on your 3rd Gen Tacoma. Thank you for watching, and see you on the trails.